Hi, I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to be doing a shave video for you. And since it's 4 degrees outside, I figured nothing better than do a little beach shave. And if you guys haven't smelled this, man, it smells pretty good. And then we're going to do a little shave with the Start razor. And this is the solid bar that has the gap of 1.8. And I'm going to be shaving with this Dorco ST300, which is not one of my favorite blades, but you know how that goes. So let me go ahead and I'll show you my 3D printed bowl. Get this shade cream here. Put a little in there. And then I'm going to be using my Omega Boar brush. It's kind of my go-to brush here. Sorry, I'm looking down. I guess I can show me up here. You can see that whips up pretty quick. Oh yeah. Now, I need to wet my face. Forgot to mention I got about 2 days growth. Alright, I'm going to warm the razor up here. Usually I'm a open comb fan, but since the Start only comes with a, I think it's a 0.95 open comb, I decided not to use that one today. If you guys got any comments or suggestions, please do that. Like I said, this is my first video here. I've been having a lot of friends suggesting to do some videos, and well, here I'm finally doing it. Of course, my hair on my neck grows back this way and that way, so you gotta do what you gotta do to make it work. See, there was something else I was going to tell you, but I forgot because the red light's on. Oh yeah, I only do 2 pass shaves. My neck area right along my collar of my shirt. It always gets a little, I got 2 spots down there that's kind of sensitive, so I just do what works for me, of course. So now I'm going to go across the green. You guys been getting any of this snow? We've had some pretty bad drift areas that's over a foot. So let me get cleaned up here and I'll do the post shave. Alright, for the post shave, I'm going to do some of the beach matching splash. And just if you guys think about this smell, oh yeah, it reminds me of when I was probably about 6 going to the beach. The you know, ocean spray and the suntan lotion and all those good sensations and feelings just come right back to you. So the last thing I'm going to use is a little bit of star jelly. And that's just one pump because I had a new bottle today. Well, that'll be the shave for me today. And I get to go upstairs and see what my wifey wants to do. You guys have a good rest of the day.